Crazy Patchwork is a lovely way of using heritage fabrics and fabrics that have memories for you. And this little white cushion that I have with me today is actually made up of bits of fabric that I found in my mum's workbox, little bits of lace here. Not all of them sort of commercially made, but they do remind me of my mum, and I did it all by hand some time ago, and I've added the beads. Fairly traditional. But Jayne has brought this stunning cushion and quilt into the studio that's all been done on the sewing machine. Now this is going to really revolutionise my life.
It is, yeah.
I just love it.
I mean, you look at the variety of fabrics in these. These are left over, it's been pieced. Some of the fabric's been pre-decorated and then cut up and rejoined. So it's just a great way, and it's really vibrant.
And all those decorative stitches.
Yeah. And some, got metallic threads in there as well, which really add a nice thing to everything.
Imagine just ribbons and all sorts.
Yeah.
Really
it's
lovely.
Really lovely. Then we've got a small quilt as well, which is similar in lots of ways, but you can see the difference in fabrics. You've got some nice metallics, you've got batiks, you've got something that could have been children's summer dresses. There's just so much on here. And we've also got, if we can see, these fabulous little vinyl pockets that have been stitched in.
I was going to say, this is a little like log cabin inspired, isn't it? But not too precious about
of some
it.
of them.
But yeah, these are caught in vinyl, little vinyl pockets.
I mean, they'd be fabulous for memories, for like children's buttons off cardigans, anything like that. Little tokens that you've got yourself, all kinds of bits and pieces. There's a little teddy bear in there.
And that keeps them safe.
Yeah, you could put a little brooch in there, absolutely anything that you wanted.
Any little charms.
Yeah.
Yes.
And again, we use a lot of some of the fabrics being pre-stitched already before it's been cut up. Some of it hasn't. They've all been overstitched on the seams with various decorative stitches.
I was going to say, again, lovely use of threads and stitches and little scrappy bits that have just been, that's clearly been a practice piece.
Yes, it could have been for anything, couldn't it, for something else? And there's just a few pieces left, And it's a variety of fabrics that you can use as well. You're not tied to just 100% cotton.
No, absolutely not. There's bits of sari and everything. So what fun. I'm definitely going to go back to my sewing room and look at my scrap bag with a whole new set of eyes.